Who was Nehemiah in the Bible? He's an Old Testament figure during the time of the exile of the people of God. And essentially, he was a Jew serving the Persian king. And he went to him saying that he wanted to go help rebuild the city of Jerusalem. So he leaves Persia, the Persian king, and goes to Jerusalem. And there he becomes the leader. He's like the governor of the area. And what does he do? He immediately starts to rebuild the city walls, to rebuild the temple, to try to restore this city for God's people. And he sets out a very clear vision for how they are to recreate this city, how they are to build these walls of protection around this city. And the people are on board. They listen to the leadership of Nehemiah, they listen to his vision, and they work together to rebuild their ancient and important city, the city of God. And then finally, what does he do? He helps rededicate the temple and God's people to the covenant with the priest Ezra. Essentially, people were still falling away from their trust in God. And Nehemiah not only works on this building project of the actual physical city, but he also helps inspire within the hearts of the people there to rededicate themselves, rededicate their people to the law of Moses, to the law and to God. And so he was an incredible leader of the Old Testament, an incredible book in the Bible in which we can learn from how to lead God's people with God's help and by inspiring them to work together to help rebuild something that is important. I'm Jared Dees. Go make disciples. God bless.